For today's video, I am going to be reviewing the HigherDOSE Full Body Red Light Mat. I have had this mat for about 4 months now, so I figured I've been testing it for enough time to let you guys know my thoughts on it. So in this video, I'll let you know all the details about it. I'll talk about price point, I'll talk about all the potential benefits, and then of course I'll also let you know what I have noticed from using it and just let you know my overall thoughts. Now, this video is not sponsored, meaning I'm not being paid to make this video, but I am super fortunate and grateful to have received this as a gift from HigherDOSE. I do have the mat actually hanging up on my doors right there behind me. But yeah, so I was kindly gifted it, which is amazing. So grateful to be able to receive that. Just wanted to put that disclaimer out there for you, but regardless, I'm going to be of course sharing with you my honest thoughts. My goal is just to help you learn about the product so that you can hopefully figure out if you think it is worth investing in for you, if you think you would benefit from it, and if you like it. So hopefully that's what this video is going to help you figure out. If you do end up wanting to check it out, I do have a discount code with HigherDOSE, so if you are interested, I will have that in the description box below so you can find it. No pressure to use that code at all, it's just there if you want it. But anyway, let's go ahead and get right into the video. So like I had mentioned, I have been using this full body red light mat for about 4 months now, and it has become a really great part of my nighttime routine. Now, I don't use it every single night. However, when it comes to red light therapy, you definitely want to be consistent if you want to actually see results, because if you're not consistent, of course you're not going to be able to see obvious results. So I do try to use this at least several times a week, if not every single day, because if you're using it every single day, you're definitely going to be able to see more benefits and results from that. It has been helping me with sleep, skin, and also recovery when I do workouts. You might be wondering, well, who exactly is this type of product for? This is for wellness lovers, people with fatigue, muscle soreness, poor sleep, inflammation, and burnout. Those are just some of the people that this might be good for. Being very transparent, this is absolutely an investment piece. This is not cheap. It is very expensive. So you absolutely want to do your research before deciding to invest in it to see if you actually think it is worth it and if you will benefit from it. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly what it does, how I use it, and whether I think it is worth it. Before I can do that, I feel like I definitely need to explain what red light therapy is, because not everybody knows exactly what it is. So red light therapy uses LEDs to deliver red and near infrared wavelengths to the body. These wavelengths are similar to sunlight without UV rays or heat. They support cellular energy by stimulating mitochondria, your cell's power plants. This mat uses 1,000 LEDs total. You have 825 single chip, 660 nm LEDs, and then 175 dual chip, 660 nm plus 850 nm LEDs. If you were to purchase this product, everything that comes in the box is, of course, you're going to get the full body red light mat. It also comes with a remote control. It comes with power and charging cords, and then it also comes with a carry bag for storage or travel. Although personally, when it comes to storage, it just stays right there on my wall. It also comes with hook options to hang it, so it comes with over the door hangers, and it also comes with some other hooks that you can put on your wall. It's nice that it comes with options for that if you do want to hang it on a door or a wall. Like I mentioned, this is absolutely an investment piece. You have to think of it as like a wellness investment. It is a specialty tech gadget, wellness tech gadget. This retails for $1,199. I know that is so expensive, but it is a full body red light mat, and it has the wavelengths that are supposed to be the most beneficial when it comes to red light therapy. And it is definitely important to do your research into wavelengths, because not all red light therapy devices are created equal. But because this is a full body red light therapy device that does have the wavelengths that are studied to be beneficial, I do understand why it is so expensive. But what exactly are the claims of this red light therapy mat? This claims to boost energy, elevate mood, and also supercharge recovery. This also does have 0 EMF, which I think is awesome. That is very important. You may have seen me talk about their sauna blanket on my channel before. I'm a huge fan of their sauna blanket. That one is actually low EMF, so I really love that they actually made this 0 EMF. Again, this mat has both red and near infrared wavelengths, and of course it is going to give you full body coverage. So that is also what makes this very unique and what makes it more expensive, because it is so large. So then getting into more about the key benefits of this mat. Something that red light therapy is pretty well known for is helping with skin. It can help with giving you glowing skin, and it can do this by improving circulation, which helps to bring out your natural glow. Red light therapy is also very well known for helping with muscle recovery. So if you're somebody who works out often and you want something to help speed up your recovery, then red light therapy can be great for that. It can help with muscle recovery because infrared heat reduces post-workout soreness. It can also help with boosting circulation. Gentle heating increases heart rate and blood flow. And then it also can help with relaxation, so deep relaxation. This mat has grounding layers of crystal, charcoal, and clay to help to promote rest. Red light therapy can also help with supporting mood and energy, as well as helping to encourage circadian rhythm balance. And that is very much something that I think it can do. So I actually, in my wellness journey recently, as some of you might know, I've been working on healing from mold toxicity, and one of the lifestyle changes that my practitioner told me to do was actually change out all of my night lights to red light night lights. And while those of course are not the same as red light therapy, the red light helps with making sure that it doesn't affect your circadian rhythm at nighttime. So when you get up at night, by having a red light night light instead of a regular like blue light night light, just like the regular harsh white lights, it won't affect your circadian rhythm, because a regular night light that has like blue light, like a blue light bulb, that can actually make your body think that it is daytime. So that is another reason why I really like using this at nighttime, just because I feel like the red light is great for helping me wind down at nighttime and making sure that it helps to support my circadian rhythm. And then another possible benefit of red light therapy is that it provides mitochondrial support for cellular energy. So now let's get into how to actually use it, because there are a variety of ways that you can use a full body red light mat. So let's get into how to use it and how to set it up. So first, of course, you're going to plug everything in. You can control it with either the remote or the buttons on the mat, and you're going to then choose your session length. You can choose between 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, or 60 minutes. Depending on how long you use it for, can also kind of change the benefits that you get from it. So say for example, if you just want a quick boost, 20 minutes is good. It can help with reviving mood and energy. And then if you want something to help you really unwind, you might want to use it for 30 to 40 minutes. That can really help with easing muscle tension. And then if you want a full body reset and something that's going to be very obvious and more effective, you can use it for 60 minutes, and that can help with giving you full, deep head to toe rejuvenation. That might be ideal for those who are having a lot of fatigue or feeling burnt out. And when it comes to pain relief, you're gonna get the best results if you actually have direct skin contact. So if you're using it for pain relief, you would wanna either lay on it, have it draped over you, or wrap it around your body. So now let's get into the ways to use it. You can hang it on a wall. This is great for mood boosts, meditation, or before bed. You can also lay on it. This is gonna be great for deep grounding and also recovery. You could also lay under it. And you can even stack it with the HigherDOSE PEMF mat for a full body rejuvenation. I have reviewed their full body PEMF mat on my YouTube channel before, so obviously that's another large investment, so you definitely do not have to use both. But maybe you're just somebody who's really into wellness, maybe you already have that product, then this is something that you can kind of pair with that and stack that when you're using it. So now getting into the things that I have noticed from using it. I have noticed that using it consistently at nighttime, it does seem to help to improve my sleep. Now this is only going to happen when I am actually consistently using it. I also find that when I am consistently using it, it does seem to help my skin get clearer or just feel and look clearer. And not that it necessarily is getting rid of like breakouts or anything like that, but I feel like it just makes my skin look overall more healthy and glowy if I am using it consistently, because just using it like once a week I feel like you wouldn't notice any benefits. You do have to use it consistently multiple times a week. Probably best if you're doing it at least 4 to 5 times a week to notice more obvious results. I also find that if I work out, if I use it for 30 minutes with direct skin contact after I do a workout, then I find that it does help to speed up muscle recovery, where my muscles won't get as sore as they would if I didn't use the red light therapy mat. I actually was really intrigued with this full body version of red light therapy because I have been going through my mold healing journey, and I'm not trying to say that this is helping me like detox mold or anything. It's not for that, but it is something that I have just liked to add to my wellness routine, just in my overall healing. Again, not that this is making me detox the mold, but just in addition to the other things that I'm doing to heal, just overall as part of my healing routine. It's a tool, it's not a mold killer, but it can help because of the things that it can do. Red light therapy can help to reduce inflammation, which is very important for me right now because I've been dealing with a lot of inflammation. It can also help with boosting cellular energy, so mitochondrial function, and that is very important because when you are dealing with mold toxicity, that can cause things like brain fog. So being able to use this kind of as a tool to help me in my healing has been great. Another reason that I think that this can help with my overall healing is because it can help to improve circulation, and it can help to support tissue repair and detox pathways. Again, I'm not saying that this is making me detox, but it can help to support tissue repair and detox pathways. So supporting it, not doing the detoxing itself, but supporting it. And again, consistency is key. The benefits build over time. As you use it, you really have to be using it consistently in order to really notice any of these benefits that I've mentioned. Also, something that I do want to mention is that I do have blackout glasses that I bought separately. HigherDOSE does not include eye protection, which that is something that I feel like I have seen mixed things about online a lot when it comes to eye protection and red light therapy. Some sources say that you don't need to use eye protection when it comes to red light therapy, and then others say that you do. I am just going on the side of caution. So I did get these on Amazon. This is what they look like. They're just glasses. They're more comfortable than like goggles. I've tried blackout goggles and they're not comfortable. I feel like they just like squeeze my eyes and around my under eyes too much. So I really like having glasses instead. So I'll use these when I'm like just sitting in front of the light, or if I'm just very much exposed to the red light, just so I make sure that I am protecting my eyes. So I'll link that in description below if you end up wanting to get this, or you just want red light therapy eye protection, then these are great. They were pretty affordable on Amazon. So overall, is it worth it? Obviously, this is not a necessity. This is a luxury wellness tool. I do think it is worth it if you are using it consistently and the benefits do align with your goals. For me, after struggling with my health for almost 2 years, I have just found that sometimes I think it is worth it to invest in some just wellness things. They're things that I can use long term, not just for while I'm trying to heal my body in general, just something that I can use over time as a wellness tool. In some cases, think that it is worth investing in more expensive products like this. Again, you know yourself best and what you need. So this isn't going to be something that everybody thinks that they're going to benefit from. But if it is something that aligns with your goals or the things that you want to get, like if any of the benefits that I mentioned are things that you are specifically looking for, then a red light mat like this could be really helpful for you. But if you know that you're the kind of person that will maybe only use this once a week, or you just won't really use it enough and you know that you won't, then obviously it's not going to be worth the investment. Also, maybe not everybody feels like the benefits sound all that great, or they're not really things that they feel like they need help with, then that's another reason why this might not be worth it for you. It really just depends on the person and if the benefits seem like something that you would benefit from. I do think that if you deal with fatigue, poor sleep, inflammation, soreness, or burnout, then this can be a powerful addition. Those are my overall thoughts on this full body red light therapy mat. If you do have any questions about this mat that I didn't answer in this video, then definitely let me know in the comment section below and I'll do my best to help answer it. If you are interested in checking out this mat, I will have it linked in the description box below. And if you are interested in potentially purchasing it or anything from HigherDOSE, again, I do have a discount code. So definitely check out the description below if you are interested in that. Again, no pressure at all to use my link or code. It is just there for you if you want it. So if you think this will help you reach your wellness goals, then I definitely think it is worth at least checking out. But anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you're not already subscribed and you'd like to see even more content from me in the future, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you're interested in seeing any of my other HigherDOSE review videos, I have reviewed quite a few things from HigherDOSE, so definitely check out my HigherDOSE playlist. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for my next video.